For example, let's say that named views. We will learn about the named views. Where is this one? App.view. This is our root element, right? I'm having here router view. Router view is nothing but according to the path, whichever the path you are having, the particular page it will load. So nothing but the component it will load it. If you try to see here, so this is all completely is a router view. Okay. So router view, inside this path, you can have a children router view also. For example, let's say that if I try to place this router view, copy and paste it at the bottom, what will happen? So what will happen? Two router views are there. What will happen? Let's say. So if you try to see, you will be able to see the two outputs, right? So two router views. So here this one total is one router view, and here we are able to see the two things. The same thing it is trying to replicate it. For example, let's say that, so router views, you can also name, you can also have a name for this one, just like the slots, how you are having the name, you can also name it. For example, let's say that I named it as a footer. Router view name is equal to footer. I named it. Okay, so router view name is equal to footer. So now I want to load the footer. Let's go to the pages, and here I can create a footer. Footer.view, sorry, footer.view, and here I can have a template. So div, I can have h1. So footer view or anything we can have it. I'm having one footer. Let's go to the app.view in the main.js where we are having. So for which one? For example, let's say that for post I want a footer. So here instead of having a component, so you can write a components, and this components take an object. Instead of taking a single component, it will take the multiple components. First one is the default. So for the router view which doesn't have any name, this default will be loaded. So that is nothing but post. And the second one is the name we have given is the footer, right? So the name router view name is equal to footer we have given. So this name I am trying to take it here, and let's import the footer. Import footer from ./pages/footer. So I can show this footer. So now here I can have this footer. Yeah. Now I can have this footer. Let's see the output. If you try to see the output, see here, I'm able to see a footer here. For this one, footer is there. Whereas for other pages, you don't have any footer. For only the post, you will be having a footer. So for this only, you will be having a footer. So that means if you want to show different types of footers for different pages, so then you can use this router view. Or otherwise, you can directly use a footer here. So you can directly use a footer here directly. So you can import the component here, just like the navigation, how we have imported, we can import it. For example, the situation comes whenever you want to have a different types of footers to be displayed, means then you can use a router view here. For example, let's say that in home, I want to show another footer. Let's say the home footer. I will be having something like home footer dot view. So I am creating home footer dot view. So if I try to do here template, so div home footer, I can show it as an home footer. Now for the home, I want to show a different type of footer, right? So this one is the thing. So I can have for the components. So here I can show default is the home, and the footer is the home footer. Home footer. So we need to import this home footer. Let's try to take this one, home footer, and here also home footer. Yeah. Now let's see the output. So in the post, in the post we are able to see home footer. So this one from HTML we got it something. So here I'm able to see the home footer. See, I think in the home footer we have added something. No, I haven't added anything. Somewhere in the app.view I have added some extra. Yeah, here. So nice. If you try to see here, home footer I'm able to see here. For the post I am able to see another type of footer. So in the contact you don't have any footer. Why? Because I haven't mentioned any footer name for this one. So for example, if you want to show any footer, means you can show here for contact also components default is equal to contact, and footer is equal to whatever the footer you want to show, you can show it. For example, for this one also I want to show, home footer only. Then what I can do here, I can use default So contact, and another one is, that is nothing but footer is home footer. I will try to show for this one also home footer. So like this you can arrange it. So that is the thing I want to tell you. So now if you try to go to the contact, you are having home footer. For the post you are having footer view. For the home you are having footer, home footer. So like this you can show different types of. So now you have, when you are having a situation that depending on the page I want to show a particular footer, means you can use this router view and you can design it, or otherwise you can add conditions. Those all things also you can do it. For example, here the navigation is constant for all the pages, so that is the reason I have used a navigation. Tomorrow I want to show different types of navigation to different pages, means so here also you can have something like router hyphen view name is equal to navigation. I can add navigation here. So here let's close this router. Yeah, I have closed this router. Now navigation for this home, for this main.js, for the post I want a navigation. So here I can write navigation. I can write it as navigation. Let's import this navigation. So navigation, import navigation from /component/ I think in the components is there, I think. Yeah, so navigation I am importing. Let's go into this one and let's see the output. So here we are not able to see navigation. Why? Because about page doesn't have anything. So I think I added in the home or what. So for home also I didn't add anything. For posts I have added, I think. So for posts, if you try, see now the navigation is coming. So if you want to define your own type of navigation also, you can add it. The navigation you can add it. So right now I am changing it back to navigation. So here we are having only one navigation. So I will add only the one navigation. So if you don't provide anything, means nothing will happen. So this is how you will be having. So now I am able to get all the places this navigation. So these are called as a named views. So what is this named views means, whenever you are having a router view and whenever you want to show different types of routings, different types of paths for different types of routings, means so now you can name those things just like the slots how we have discussed, named slots. Like this named views also we can do it. This is all about this named router concept. In the Vue Router, if you try to see in the Vue Router, named views. So this is the thing. So router view class is equal to something. So left sidebar he has used some class and name he has given. So this one is the default one and this one is the so here he has given home left sidebar, right sidebar, like this. So nested named views. So like this also we can give it. So like this, whenever you are having a scenario, so you can use this router view concept. So this is all about the router, sorry, not router view, named views. So this is all about this named views things. So here if you want, you can give the component if you want to give the default one. So this one is the default one. But whenever you are when you are having named routes, means you need to present it as an object thing. So like components, key and value, this is the name, router view name, and this is the component name which we want to load it. So that's it. This is all about the named views thing.